Well, Leland had a helicopter drone truck thing. And we found out that after trying to take it apart, super tiny holes in the side, which apparently is a Phillips 00. Of course, the problem is the tip's the right length. Focus. But the tip's the right width, but this wider, so it's really hard to get it in those holes. So it's one of those things where most of my sets didn't come with this, but this Performax set from Menards happened to have a Phillips 00. Apparently it goes down to 000 and 000, but I happen to have one, so I didn't have to go to the store to try and find one to get it apart. Because there's the tiny screw. So, found out that the gearbox on the bottom just has these tiny plastic tabs on it. So, I popped it back on, but it wouldn't go on in the right spot. Then this gear popped off, which was over there, but the gear has to go between those two. So, let's see if I can... this lens works a little better. It has to go between those two with the small gear facing down. And you can't just push this down on it. You gotta like finagle it in there just right. Let me show you in just a second here. Actually, we found out that the shaft comes out too. So then you just slide it in and drop it down. Now both of these motors have a gear to each of those. Now we just have to pop on the bottom piece. So you can figure out how that goes on there.
It's kind of hard working with micro stuff.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, let me show you that in a second. Let's see if we get this first. Looks like you got it.
Yeah.
Turn around. Let's check the other side. Flip the other side. The other side got clipped on too. All right. So then, yeah, this whole thing runs on that tiny battery in this little circuit. So let's see here. We can flip the control by an IR remote.
And it works.
And we're in working order. Alright, let's put it back together and see if we can get it to take off. Alright, got all the parts in. Got two little loops there holding on to the frame extrusions. And you got the controller right there. And the battery, I guess, goes in front. Let's put it together and see if we can make it fly. Alright, I just put two screws in. This one right here and that one right there are the main ones that hold the motor. So we should be able to get it test flight. The other thing just holds the frame together for extra. Tiny, tiny switch. Alright.
Turn on the controller.
Start slow.
Okay. And it's still connecting. See, it's still connecting.
Yep.
Make sure it actually connects. It's taking a long time to connect.
Push the thing up and down.
Oh, it's connected. You can see that.
Alright, there you go. Here, okay, let it go. Okay, go up slowly, see if you can take off. Whoa! It's falling over a little bit. May have to adjust the trim a little bit, but
Yeah.
it works. Gears don't grind and doesn't have any issues.
And the thing about
Couple
it,
more
if this thing is blinking, that means it's not connected. If it's like that, that means it's connected.
Mm-hmm.
It is.
As you can see, this the problem is it's got the IR sensor on the bottom.
Yeah.
So you always got a problem is kids run in front of it and they block the sensor, and then you can't shut it off if you don't have connection to that.
Yeah.
But simple little toy, but not built the most solid. So luckily it went right back together. And there you go.